Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a fall decorate with me and a house tour. So I will be sharing with you how I decorate my house and also showing you how my house looks all decorated. So the first thing that I do is lay out all of my decorations on my kitchen island so I can see what I have and what I'm going to do with all the decorations. The first area that I decided to start with is my kitchen table. The first thing that I like to do is clean off my table, so I'm just taking my Mrs. Meyer spray and I'm just going to be spraying the table down and wiping off any crumbs or dust that was on there before. Then I'm going to place my table runner onto the table. I did get this from TJ Maxx. Most of the decorations that you will be seeing in today's video will either be from TJ Maxx, Hobby Lobby, or Michael's. I will try to tell you guys where everything is from along the way. For the centerpiece of my table, I am just taking this galvanized vase that has some greenery and some cotton in it. I really liked this. I got it from TJ Maxx and it was really affordable. And then I'm just going to place two pumpkins in the front. As you can see, I did change the color. I changed it more to like a teal and mint blue instead of the gray and white pumpkin. And then I'm just going to put my salt and pepper shakers and my napkin holder. Moving into the living room, I'm just going to change out my little garland that I have hanging from my TV stand. I did get this from Michael's. My previous one was from there as well. I do really like this one because it is still pretty neutral, but it does have some rose gold fall colors, which I really like. I am going to be changing out the decorative pieces on the bottom shelf, but before I do so, I'm just going to take my little duster and get rid of all of the dust that has built up over the last few weeks since I last did it. I'm just putting two pieces that I got from TJ Maxx, so this really pretty blue pumpkin and then this really pretty marble vase that has a bunch of different pumpkins inside. So this is what it ended up turning out as. I also put that little banner that says home. Moving over to my hanging shelves, I'm just going to be removing some of these decor items and replacing them with more fall-inspired decor pieces. I really love this little troll that my mom got me, which is at the very top. I don't remember exactly where she got it from, but most of these pieces are from Target and TJ Maxx. The little pumpkins that I put up are from the dollar spot section in TJ Maxx. I really like the way that this wall came out. I really love that little truck. It is my favorite. And I did also put some pillows on top of my blanket ladder. Moving over to my couch area, I'm just going to remove pretty much everything off of here. I had a lot of like baby pink in my living room area because I liked that for the spring and summertime, but obviously it is not spring and summer anymore, it is fall. So I actually ended up going to Kirkland's, which you guys will see all the pillows that I got. I got 5 new pillows, which I am in love with. So this is what my living room area turned out as. I am so obsessed. I love all the pillows. And this is my silly puppy interrupting me while I'm decorating because she's so cute. And now we are moving on to my coffee table area. I really enjoy the way that this came out as well. But before I do that, I'm just going to wipe it off just like I've been wiping off every other surface. This tiered pumpkin piece is from TJ Maxx, and then the 2 pumpkins next to it are from the Target dollar spot section. I really love the way that this came out. Like I said, I think it's very simple but looks really cute. So this is how my whole living room turned out. I also changed the sign that was next to my door and took my summer wreath off of the front door as well. I also put this really cute mason jar picture on the other side of my window. Now we're moving in to the kitchen area, which also didn't go as planned. As you can see, I have this little piece to my left that I got from TJ Maxx that I absolutely love, that I was originally going to put on my windowsill, but it ended up being too big. So I just kind of made things work, and I put 2 little decorative pieces that have little floral arrangements in them and then a pumpkin right in the middle. I do like the way that this came out, and the one on the right side is actually all from the dollar store. It cost me $3, and I absolutely love the way that it looks. Then I'm just going to switch out the towels on my oven to more fall themed. Then we're moving to my island area, which I am obsessed with the way this came out as well. I am going to wipe this off once again, surprise, surprise. Once I'm done, I'm just going to grab a candle from Bath & Body Works and put it on the top. I got a bunch of just little pieces from Joann's, and I just kind of didn't really know what I was doing with this, to be honest, but I really like the way that it ended up turning out. My mom helped me with decorating, and I really appreciate her coming over and just giving me her thoughts and helping me with everything. So thank you so much, Mom. I really enjoy the way that this came out. You will have to let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. Next, I'm just going to change out the wreath that's hanging on my pantry door to a fall wreath. This is from Costco. I got it last year. Next, I'm going to show you what my little front porch entryway looks like. I really love the way that this turned out. And that completes this decorate with me for fall. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Stay marvelous.